Welcome to the third week of Lent. The Gospel reading invites us to really think deeply about our actions and whether we are doing things for our own benefit or for the greater glory of God. When Jesus witnessed thousands of his poor fellow countrymen were being defrauded by unscrupulous money changers in the temple, which was supposed to be a place of worship, he drove them all out, saying, "Take all this out of here and stop turning my Father's house into a market." They will have been doing this for years without anyone challenging them. And we are left to wonder, deep within their hearts, how they could then genuinely worship God inside the temple if outside they were swindling poor people. In school this week, we have focused on fair trade. We can all make a difference and stand up for what is right. Sometimes the people who make or grow the things we buy don't earn enough money to live on or buy enough food for their own families. When we buy fair trade tea or coffee or bananas or chocolate, we know that the people who grew and produced these things are being paid a fair wage and are able to make enough money to feed their families. So throughout the month of March, find out more information about fair trade and see how you can stand up for what is right. Returning back to the Gospel, Jesus had to put a stop to the wrongdoing that was happening in the temple. There may have been times that we too have taken advantage of situations or people. During the season of Lent, it is a time to think about the things we have done wrong and say sorry to God. Taken from Sunday's Gospel, Jesus never needed evidence about any person. He could tell what a person had in them. Let the season of Lent be an opportunity for us all to cleanse our souls, have a conversion of heart, and return to the person God is calling us to be. God bless us all.